Here's a change we made in the latest version of dAnalyzer to make working with the summary grid a little bit easier. You'll notice here I've created a fairly complicated one that basically has province followed by product code followed by part number details followed by salespeople, then broken down by year, and if I scroll to the right, by month as well. So again, quite a complex grid because I really want to break down by a variety of criteria, and then while I'm working with those criteria I want to be able to look at the information that's in these columns. The problem here is that I've got a lot of scrolling to do because I don't have a lot of room to work with. So one change we've made here is you have the option in settings to actually change where you want the row total location to be, as well as the layout attributes. So we have an option to show totals at the bottom, totals at the top, but there's a neat feature in here that you can switch over to called tree. What tree does is when I go back into that summary report, even though there's a stored layout, this overrides that stored layout, you'll notice it's changed it a little bit. It's a little easier to make this clear by showing you some information. We'll refresh this, and what you'll see is that now instead of it being spread across the screen, you can more easily see the information that's on screen, even in a lower resolution like this one, because of the way that the totals are embedded. So province followed by product code details followed by part number followed by salespeople is nicely tucked down, and all that white space is more readily used. It gives you more room to see the data that you're looking for. Again, totally optional. If you prefer it the other way, just change your settings back or move totals to the top or the bottom as needed.